Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, my name is Ghost and I am the admin for ClickWorker Philippines. So for today, let me explain to you what I do on this channel. I do recording of UHRS Hitapps or everything we do on the internet. But majority of the uploads as we speak are or pertains to ClickWorker as well as UHRS hit apps. So my goal is to help everyone out on how to pass the training or how you can be an effective ClickWorker or someone who works for UHRS, and kind of show your appreciation by subscribing to our channel and promoting it. Thank you. So for today, we are recording a video on a head app called "Is the result what the user was searching for?" Canadian businesses. So this task is quite confusing, but we have the guidelines pulled up so we can go through the guidelines while we are working on this particular hit app. Okay. So these are the guidelines. All right, let me scroll down. So let's focus on this one because these are the categories. So you can tag it as same. The business in the query is the same as the business in the result. So this is going to be the query, and this is going to be the result, or this pane right here. Contains now contains and contained by is quite confusing, but let's go through it. Contains means the business in the query contains the business in the answer. The query is usually a larger parent or whole business that the answer business is a part of. For example, let's say we have a mall and there the business is inside the mall, so it'll be contains. We can tag it as contains. Okay. Another example from here, Elliot Hospital contains the answer Elliot Endocrinology Associate. Yeah, because this is a particular department within the hospital, right? So another one example is Bellevue School District contains Cherry Crest Elementary. Okay, so because this particular district or school is would probably have like primary, secondary, or tertiary um, schools within, you know, um, their business. Contained by the business in the query is contained by the business in the answer. The query is usually a smaller child or part of the answer business. Um, Example will be Elliot Endocrinology Associate is contained by answer Elliot Hospital. So you see, it's confusing with the first sentences or the first parameter above it, which is contains. Okay, so you have to really be careful and look on the attributes. So sibling the business in and both the query and the answer are separate businesses contained by a larger parent business or department of the same business. Uh-huh. Irrelevant. Query post Ali Pizza answer it's Pizza Pro is an irrelevant business. So let's try to work on this one. So East End Elementary School, North Plainfield in New Jersey. I was able to complete 21 hits for this one. What? I think I'm having some problems with this. Let's go to Google. So West End Elementary School. Let's pull that up. It's taking a while. They're totally different businesses. I would tag this one as irrelevant. Let's see how it goes. Ah, it's a sibling. I don't know why. I'm not familiar with the business. Let's give it another try. Oakbrook Center Security. Uh, hmm, Oakbrook Center. It pulled up the same result. So I would say this is the same business. Ah, contained by. Okay. But anyways, I'm halfway through the training. I'm not sure how many more training head apps will be available during this training, but we can move on to the qualification round. New Mexico State University. Uh-huh. We'll close that out. New Mexico State University Musical Recital. This is going to be contains. Let's see. Yep, we got it right. So, Stetson Law School, Stetson University College of Law, Stetson University College of Law. Getting some error message there, but most likely this is going to be a sibling. Let's see how it goes. Ah, it's the same business. All right. Again, this is the training mode. This is how you are supposed to work on this one. So, done with the training. I think this is going to be the qualification round now as we speak. That was, let me go back to recently work. This is going to be the result. There you go. There are 25 hits in the qualification test. Let's give it a try. So, the Hotel Contessa, San Antonio, Texas. That's the business name. Riverwalk Plaza Hotel. That's totally different. I would say irrelevant. Let's see. Well, there is no specific answer. It does not tell me if I got the answer correctly. But let's say Moore School of Music, Moore School of Music, and University of Houston, Texas. Ah, I guess this is going to be contains. Okay, Dingle's Kellig Hotel. Uh-huh. And primary website. What is this? It's a bar. It's within this business. So going back here, I'm confused whether it is going to be contains or contained by. The business in both the query and answer are separate business contained by a larger parent business or departments. I would say, I don't know, it's a sibling. Let's try it. Art Institute of Chicago, the Art Institute of Chicago. Most likely, this is going to fall under the same business. It's taking a while to load. Yeah, most likely it is the same. So, I'm sorry, I need to cut this video short, but that is how you work on this particular hit app. Again, it is the result of what the user was searching for, Canadian businesses. So just focus on this. Kindly pull up the guideline before you work on the training. I'm done with the training. I'm doing the qualification mode as we speak. And if I don't want to continue with recording the qualification exam because that'll all give you the answer. That's not really my purpose on why I am recording this video, but to give you an overview on how to work on this hit app. Again, it is going to be the result what the user was searching for, small businesses or Canadian small businesses. So I hope this video helps you out. I'll continue with the qualification mode and update you all if I'm able to pass it. And again, my name is Ghost and I am the admin for ClickWorker Philippines. You can find us in Facebook. Our group name there is ClickWorker Philippines. Just answer all the relevant questions and send over a screenshot of your subscription to this channel. Thank you and have a good weekend. Bye for now.